Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have this core drill bit set. So have you ever had to try to drill something in tile and brick and something like that, and it's just hard to do with a regular drill? I'm going to show you here how I can do this. So here I have a rock, and we have our bit set here. I opened it up and I pulled this thing here, but you can see it's got all the different sizes of them here. It also comes with a couple of, Phillips head bits or whatever. But let's just take one here. We'll just say we'll go this size, just for sake here, and we'll put it into the drill. And so you can look at this tip, it's got all the little diamond blades, so that's going to give you the ability. And here's the instructions I'll show you here, just so you can see what it is. It's there. So basically, I guess it wants to use the black one to create a starter hole, and then start going with this. So let's we'll do it the official way then. How about that? So let's take one of these black carbide Phillips kind of looking ones here, and we'll just stick it in here, and we're just going to start a little hole and see what happens. So there's a starter hole. We have a little starter hole. Excellent. And then we can put one of these suckers in here, and then we kind of rotate it around, and there we go. Oop. So that gives us the ability, I don't know if you can see, we got a good hole out of this. You can see it made a nice round hole. So that's how you can get a good hole through something without cracking tile or something else like that. So you got these nice bits. So that's kind of what these are for. So you have a whole set of them. You can make different sizes. You might have to, start a little smaller to do that one. But you get the idea. Very cool. So nice to have a set. Thumbs up.